Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the Bangladesh and Sylhet Bholagons and the White Stone. This location name this is the last border in Bangladesh. In the here see this India border. In the very natural before government in the very beautiful and the government changing the my country government changing after climate change and the very white stone the thief. I am very upset and the my country syndicate peoples in the all board and before all board free no syndicate because now all people in the syndicate in the very changing Bholagons সাদা পাথর Bholagons সিলেট Bholagons সাদা পাথর